I personally obsessed with direct mail, and one of the best way to sell your product, to send a catalog to your customers. Yes, it is expensive, but I'll explain you how you can do it cheaper in this video. But first of all, I would like to start with a few catalogs that I received to my first start. So the first one is a Warrior brand, and they targeted us cold with me and my wife. What do I mean cold? We never purchased from them before, and honestly, I did not know this company even exists. However they did it, I have ideas, and I'll tell you about those ideas a little bit later. But they targeted us, and they targeted right. I like their clothing. I did not purchase anything yet, but they are on my radar, and I'm saving this catalog, and I'm planning to eventually buy something from them. But let's go step by step what they have and what they do the nice way. They have a picture of two person, like him and her, and they are dividing those sections by weather: warm, warmer, warmest. And this is very cool very cool, easy to understand division of their products. So when we started as a catalog, they were showing the different kind of products, but products mostly like to wear when you go outside. But now they switched to the section where they show their active wear. And as you can see, all the picture they show the picture of products as well as some kind of picture of lifestyle, like in action. So let's go to the next one, and I have detailed video about this gift guide, this catalog on our YouTube channel. Just go to the few previous videos and you will find the gift guide, Ray gift guide, and I explain in details. But what they do it nicely here, they are targeting people before the holiday season, before Black Friday, Cyber Monday, before Christmas, Hanukkah, and other holidays. So they are grouping their section in their catalog by price, by who you're shopping for, him or her, and by buyer's persona and so forth. So this is great example of the catalog. It's not big, and also they have the cool section where they have, let's say, if you want to kill some time, they have some kind of crosswords. They have some kind of games that you can use while you work. This is another massive brand, Wayfair, and we did buy it from them in the past with my family. So they are sending us catalog every quarter for every season. So this season is, as you can see, winter 2020. I believe they did some kind of mistake, or maybe they are talking about December, because I received it a few days ago and it's October, and next winter is, I would consider 2025. But anyway, maybe they have different logic. And as you can see here, they are dividing their catalog by different sections, and you can flip it through. And I like how they have it's a furniture brand and accessory for your home. So of course they should have nice design pictures, staged pictures, but I like this, and I can imagine how to put those light strings in my backyard. I like hot tub here. Last night I was checking this out, and like how much does this hot tub cost, and this is the price, and so forth. And I like how they are branding, like putting tags, doable decoration, meaning you can do it. So if you buy, you can do this, because some stuff, maybe this one is not actually everything is doable here. I like this one, foolproof formula. As you can see here, they are by adding this kind of tag, they adding more meaning to this design, to this page. So this is a great example of catalog. Again, this is another brand that I heard of them in the past, but I even visited their website and maybe subscribed to their newsletter, but I never purchased anything from them. And they did target, no, actually they targeted my wife. Funny enough, they targeted my wife because they put it only my wife's name there. And so they did it in cold. So my wife never purchased anything from them in the past. One interesting fact that I didn't consider before, they have clothes and shoes for guys as well as girls. And as you can see here, it's only female. Oh, actually, they do have Oh, actually, they have only last page where they say it's a very interesting fact. It's like they have the, hey, we have other stuff for guys, but 95% of this catalog is female-oriented products, which is very, very interesting. So let's step back. So the important thing was a catalog. This thing costs some money, and it's not cheap. It's not 50 cents, it's not 20 cents. It costs money to send out, plus shipping costs. It's extremely important for you to define the 20% or 10% of those people who brings you most money and send it to them. That's why we partner up with a PostPilot. They are a direct mail solution for direct-to-consumer brands. They have multiple options at how to target people in cold, meaning they did not know you exist, and also retarget. Let's say somebody just visited your website, but they never left their contact information. You can technically retarget them with the direct mail. But what I want to mention that PostPilot have Cardalogs, shared mailer, which I totally obsessed with, and catalogs. This kind of catalog, small catalogs, you can send it to targeted people. Why I'm obsessed with shared mailers? Because there's like 3 benefits. First of all, shared mails, when you partner up with multiple different brands who share the same audience as you, but they are not competitors of yours, you're sending one catalog, but you show all of your products in that catalog. So you're kind of cross-promoting products to each other audience. So first of all, it's partnership marketing. Second, it's direct mail marketing. And the third, it's a cheaper cost because you're sharing the cost with other partners. So I totally obsessed with that. And as I said before, like PostPilot also have an option to send Cardalogs. And what Cardalogs is, it's kind of between postcard and full-blown catalog. It's something like this free people send it to our house. As you can see, it's unfoldable. There's multiple products. You can see different lookbooks and so forth. Of course, you can create different design. You can put this is just one of the example of this kind of Cardalogs. I don't think PostPilot and Free People working together. Free People probably use different company or maybe service, or they have something internal. But this is just the great examples that I currently have in my possessions that I can show it to you. Want to discover how much money your email marketing can actually bring you? If that's the case, let our team of email marketing experts show you how. With our free email marketing audit, we'll conduct a comprehensive analysis of your email marketing efforts, provide you with an action plan, and show you how to effectively segment and convert your audience. Simply go to flowium.com/audit and book your audit today. Please leave your questions, comment below. I will respond to each of them. Please support us by liking this video, subscribe to our channels, and stay tuned to the next Thursday video that we're releasing every week. Thank you. Bye.